Remember when the Department of Justice indicted Kilmar Abrego Garcia on 2 human smuggling charges, then a federal judge dismissed those charges? Well, the DOJ is now appealing. Here's how we got here. Back in May, when Judge Wesley Crenshaw dismissed the charges, he said the government only brought the charges because Abrego Garcia had successfully fought his deportation. He called it an abuse of prosecuting power. Crenshaw was considering whether the government engaged in what's called vindictive prosecution, essentially retaliation against Abrego Garcia, and he said the government couldn't disprove that presumption of vindictiveness. Clearly, the DOJ disagrees. They are appealing. They are saying this: the charges were brought based on the evidence, the law, and that they believe that there is proof beyond a reasonable doubt. Here's another part of their statement. The ruling marks a dramatic expansion of the power of courts to dismiss serious criminal charges based on subjective assessments of a prosecutor's motivations. The appeals process is now underway, but efforts to deport Abrego Garcia are still going on too. In fact, in a separate case, Abrego Garcia's attorneys are arguing against the government's attempts to remove him to Liberia. They say there's no legitimate reason for him to be removed to Liberia when both Abrego Garcia and Costa Rica's government say send him there instead.